Hi, myself Uma. In this video, I am going to solve some problems which are taken from GATE 2019 Engineering Mathematics questions, belongs to the topic linear algebra, particularly rank and inverse concepts. I already uploaded the concept video related to this topic, rank and inverse. If you want to learn the concept of rank and inverse, then you can watch. Now let's move on to the problem. The first problem is the inverse of the matrix. One 3 by 3 matrix is given. You have to find the inverse of the given matrix. This question is from civil department. It has 2 marks. First I write the inverse formula. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, where adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix. Next I explain how to find the cofactor matrix. First find the cofactor of each element and combine all the elements, then you can get the cofactor matrix. Next I explain how to find the cofactor of one element. That is, if Aij is an element which is in the ith row and jth column of a square matrix, then product of cofactor equal to product of one element. Product of minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of Aij. Product of minus 1 whole power I plus j and minor of Aij is called the cofactor of Aij, small aij. This is the cofactor of one element. Next I explain how to find the minor of one element. Minor of the element at the ijth place is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Next I explain how to find the minor of one element. Minor of the element at the place ijth place is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. By using all these definitions, I can get the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to cofactor matrix transpose. How to find the cofactor? First I find the cofactor of that element 2. So I multiply minus 1 whole power 2 is in the place A11, A first row first column. So minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into minor of A11. How to get minor of A11? Deleting first row and first column. This determinant is called minor. 3, 1, 2, 4. Finally I got 3 4s are 12 minus 2 10. This is plus, so finally I got 10. Similarly we can get all the cofactor elements. All the cofactor values of elements. That first, next I find 3. This is in the place 1, 2. So here I got minus. Next deleting first row and second column we can get 4, 1, 1, 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 1, 15. Minus 15. Similarly, I find all the cofactors values. 5, minus 4, 4, minus 1, minus 9, 14, minus 6. This is the cofactor matrix. Adjoint of A equal to cofactor matrix transpose. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. So I should found determinant A. How to find determinant A? 2 into 12 minus 2 minus 3 into 16 minus 1 plus 4 into 8 minus 3. Finally, I got minus 5. Finally, I got minus 5. So, A inverse equal to 1 by minus 5 into transpose of this matrix. To write 10 minus 4 minus 9 minus 15, 4, 14, 5 minus 1 minus 6. This is the A inverse matrix. Multiply inside 1 by minus 5 we can get minus 2, 4 by 5, 9 by 5 plus 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 14 by 5 minus 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5. This is the A inverse final answer. This is same as C. Minus 2, 4 by 5, 9 by 5. Okay. So the final answer is option C. This is the final answer. Now the second question. It's from computer science department. It has 1 mark. The second question is, let X be a square matrix. Consider the following two statements on X. First statement is X is invertible. Second statement is determinant of X is not zero. We have to check which one of the following four statement is true. Here X be a square matrix is very important because determinant exists only when X be a square matrix, and invertible means X inverse exists. X inverse exists only when X be a square matrix. So here I use one property or result or definition in inverse matrix, inverse of a matrix. That is, you can find that A inverse exists only when A is non-singular. A inverse exists only when A is non-singular. A is non-singular means determinant A not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. First statement is X is invertible. If X inverse exists, then it is said to be invertible. So X is invertible means X inverse exists. This is the first statement. X is invertible means X inverse exists. By using that result, X inverse exists only when X is non-singular. That means determinant of X is not equal to 0. By using that result, X inverse exists only when X is non-singular. That means determinant of X is not equal to 0. This is the second statement. So 1 implies 2. Similarly, determinant of X is not equal to 0, then only X inverse exists. X inverse exists means X is invertible. Similarly, 2 implies 1. So 1 and 2 are equivalent statements. So option D is the correct answer. Answer is option D. Now let's move on to the third problem. Third problem is the rank of the matrix M. One matrix is given. This is the 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix of order 3. The third question is from EE department. It has 1 mark. We have to find the rank of the given matrix. The given matrix is a square matrix of order 3. Here I use one result. That is, if A is a matrix of order n by n, that means A is a square matrix of order n, and A is non-singular if and only if rank of A equal to n. A is non-singular means determinant A not equal to 0 if and only if rank of A equal to n. So in this case, I first find the determinant of M. Suppose I got determinant of M not equal to 0, then the rank of M equal to 3 because this matrix is a square matrix of order 3. So first I find determinant of M. Determinant is 0 into 0 minus 1 and minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0. This is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here determinant M not equal to 0. So by using that result, determinant A not equal to 0 if and only if R of A equal to n when A is a matrix of order n by n. Here M is order of 3 by 3. So by using that result, rank of M equal to 3. Rank of M equal to 3. So the final answer is 3. These are the GATE 2019 Engineering Mathematics questions related to the concept rank and inverse. If you have any doubts in this topic, then you can ask in the comment section. Let me try to clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to encourage me. Thank you.